Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest Team Skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Let me just lower down the volume a bit. Guys, I am so tired. I attended a workshop yesterday and today. Dylan Werner, if you heard of the guy, is an awesome yoga teacher and hand balancer, and basically he killed us. He killed us all. Oh my goodness. Anyway, guys, I'll make this video quick and short. Um, this is we have finished the mission bingo, 1, 2, 3, and now I think we can actually exchange a couple of items, if not all. So this is the dragon that rules the sky, the legendary event that's happening right now. So we are going to start with these sync move upgrades. So 800, 1200, 1600, and 2400. We're going to get them right away for Senior and Rayquaza. And I have 7507. I'm not sure if that's gonna be enough. I forgot. And Rayquaza is invisible. 2 out of 5, guys. Rayquaza is really invisible. What the heck? 3 out of 5, guys. I think we are going to run out of these vouchers. Anyway, 1507. Definitely, I think this is not gonna be enough. Oh, there's Rayquaza. So you need 5 out of 5 before you appear. What the heck? So we are going to now exchange for these custom power-ups. Starting with 80, and I'm not sure how much it will increase. Will it increase by 100? 120. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 40, guys. I hope we have enough. I don't think we have enough though. 3, 4, definitely not enough. 5, oh gosh. 6, 7, we're gonna do a part 2 of this. Anyway, let's just exchange every single, limited time power-ups and everything else that has a limit for exchanging. This is limited 4-star power-ups. I'm happy that the price has decreased, from 300, 300, 300 to 300, 200, 100. So that is a good thing. And yeah, I think that is all. I forgot if there was a replay ticket for sale or something, but that is most likely everything. And for the rest, you can just collect them, just repeat stages, the horde stages, and you can get a lot of items. So right now I have quite a couple of buff blends, ultra buff blends and everything. I think I need now our gym leader notes, but I'm not sure. Probably Elite 4 notes would be better, but let's just get 9 of these and 1 of these and keep farming for more of this. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do a part 2 of this. Probably part 2 is already going to, just power up, just increase the potential of Zinnia and Rayquaza together with getting all of these remaining items. And with that said, I'll end this video here. And if you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next video.